Do you know that asthma, sinuses, catarrh, cough, they are all as a result of common cold? This cold, you all know that we are getting to the rainy season, which will be very, very cold, and will be facing such challenges. Today, I'm going to tell you how you can treat anything that is related to cold with home remedy. That's items that you can easily get in your kitchen. How you can use them and treat. If it treats even COVID for those countries that might still be facing COVID-19 issues. If you get this remedy, you get these items, it will help you to treat it completely from your system. What are the items that we need to treat this cold? The first one is lemongrass. This is lemongrass. We call it fever grass. The common name is fever grass. You need lemongrass. You need garlic. You need black pepper. This is black pepper. You need ginger, and you need your lemon. Either you get your lemon or you get your limes. So those are the items that you need. And what are the quantities? You can get ginger, like two big ginger. You get garlic, 10 pieces of garlic. When you want to get your garlic, make sure you get the country garlic. And then black pepper is just, you grind the black pepper. This one is not yet ground, but you get your black pepper, you grind it, and you take 1 teaspoon of it. You also get lemongrass. You can get 1 cup of lemongrass, because lemongrass is it's like the main item in that preparation. And then for lemon, you get 5 lemon. So you get water, like 3 liters of water. Put it inside a pot. You put your 1 cup of lemongrass there. You put your garlic, your ginger, your black pepper, and your lemon. For the lemon, make sure you cut it, wash it very well. You cut, you squeeze it, the water inside, and then you still put the full lemon, and you boil it for. But before boiling, you can pound so that it will be soft. Like the garlic and ginger, you can pound them before putting it inside your pot, and you boil it for like 10 minutes highest. You keep it down, and you're taking 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass in the evening. You take it continuously for 2 weeks, and you'll be free from that cold. Just for the first 3 days, you'll see a lot of changes. Just for the first 3 days that you're taking the medicine, you'll see great changes. But to completely clear it from your system, make sure you take it for 2 weeks, and you treat that common cold effectively. Anything related to sinuses, this throat, that your throat is always, anything related to sinuses, catarrh, cough, it will treat it for you effectively. But for those that are suffering from asthma, you have to take it for a longer period of time. You take it for a longer period of time for it to clear completely from your system. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube. For those who have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video.